The search for extraterrestrial intelligence. This is an actual piece of science. It's kind of astronomy that professionals are doing. We're using radio telescopes, sometimes regular telescopes. It's called optical SETI. We're just looking for messages, someone beaming radio signals at Earth, and just looking to communicate. It's a big job. There's a lot of places to look. There's a lot of different frequencies to look. We don't really know where someone is out there, so we have to look everywhere. We started working on this project in 1991, 1992, and it actually went online in the fall of 1995 and has been running ever since. There is no government funding of SETI anywhere on the planet right now. We get funding from the Planetary Society, which has a bunch of members who are just interested in space topics, and they donate money. We get money from several private foundations. I was an electrical engineering student at MIT. I was looking for graduate work, and I heard there was this professor at Harvard who was looking for aliens. I said, ha, that's funny. But I sat down and I worked out the math for this, and being an electrical engineer, I can do that. You know, what would it really take to send a message between star systems? And it turned out not only to be possible, but it's very easy. It's something we can do with current technology. We have built a supercomputer by hand. We had a bunch of little undergrads soldering everything, all the solder joints. And what it does is it processes the signals that are coming from the sky. We're going to go up on top of the dish. Turns out there's a very nice view from up there. What we do is we point the telescope at a different north-south position every day. It moves about half a degree a day, just north-south. It stays even on the east-west axis. And then we just let the Earth turn, and that sweeps out a circle in the sky. So it's almost all automatic for us. If it finds something very interesting that it really likes, what it will do is it will move the dish over a little farther west, and it will invite the signal to perform an encore, to let it run through the beams again. It'll do that up to about 6 times. So if we find something really good, that way we get instant confirmation that we actually have something good. We're going to go into the control room. That's where all the computers are that actually perform the experiment. Right here, we have the supercomputer that actually performs most of the experiment. What this does is it listens for whistles, and then it sends the data through these cables here to this rack of computers. Each one of these is a Pentium computer, and it's in charge of throwing out the data, kind of like panning for gold. Throws away most of it and keeps just a little bit. And that's what these computers decide, whether we've got gold or not. I don't know if we're going to find anything out there, but it's certainly worth looking. I do get frustrated and bored. I've been working on the project for quite a while, and it's not something where you're expecting, even a 50% chance of getting results. Some people have asked if we actually find something, what are we going to say? And I don't think we'll say anything right away. I think the first thing we're going to do is listen for a while. There are other galaxies out there. There's a lot of room out there, and I would be utterly shocked if there were nobody out there if we were alone. I just can't believe that that could be true.